My dear students and parents, by God's grace, my educational videos are available to 10th CBSE, plus 1 CBSE, plus 2 CBSE, NEET and IIT students in YouTube in the subjects Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Zoology and Botany in English language. Today we are going to verify whether the given relation is a function or not. The relation is given in 4 ordered pairs. The first ordered pair is 2, 2. The second ordered pair is 2, 4. The third ordered pair is 3, 3. And the fourth ordered pair is 4, 4. In the first ordered pair 2, 2, the first element is 2, the second element is 2. That is, the pre-image is 2 and the image is 2. In the case of the second ordered pair 2, 4, the first element is 2, the second element is 4. That is, the pre-image is 2 and the image is 4. In the case of third ordered pair 3, 3, the first element is 3, the second element is also 3. That is, the pre-image is 3 and the image is also 3. In the case of the fourth ordered pair 4, 4, the first element is 4 and the second element is also 4. That is, in the case of the fourth ordered pair, the pre-image is 4 and the image is also 4. Then, if we write all the first elements, that is pre-images, as a set, we will get the set domain. Similarly, if we write the all second elements of the ordered pairs as a set, we will get the set codomain. The first elements here is 2, here is also 2. We need not write again, so that the 2 is written only once. Then the first element 3. In this order pair, the first element is 4, so that we are getting the set domain. Then in the first ordered pair, the second element is 2. In the second ordered pair, the second element is 4. It is written here. In the case of the third ordered pair, the second element is 3. It is written here. Then in the case of the fourth ordered pair, the second element is 4. The 4 has already been written, so that we need not write again. Then we are going to define what is function. The function is a special type of relation. The first condition is every pre-image must have an image. The second condition is every pre-image must have only one image. I am going to say one imagination. That is, all pre-images of the set domain are imagined as children, and the images of the set codomain are imagined as fathers. We know that every child must have a father, and every child must have only one father. That is the meaning of the statement we have already told. That is, every pre-image must have an image, and every pre-image must have only one image. Now let us going to explain. The child 2 has father 2. Again the child 2 is having the father 4. The first time the child 2 is saying his father as 2. In the second time the same child 2 is saying his father as 4. If one child is having 2 fathers, it is not fair. It is also not acceptable in the society. If the child is not having the father, it is also unfair. It is also not acceptable. If the child has more than one father, it is also unfair. It is also not acceptable. So in this case, the child has 2 fathers, so that the given relation is not a function. That is, the pre-image 2 has 2 images. The pre-image must have an image. The pre-image must have only one image. In this case, the pre-image 2 has 2 images. Coming to the child 3. The child 3 has father 3. The child 3 has only one father 3. That is, the pre-image 3 has image 3 and the pre-image 3 has only one image 3. Then coming to the third element 4 in the set domain. The child 4 has father 4. The child 4 has only one father 4. It means that the pre-image 4 has image 4 and the pre-image 4 has only one image 4. So in these 2 cases, the pre-images are having only one image. But in the first case, the pre-image has 2 images. Since the pre-image 2 has 2 images, the given relation is not a function. Again, we can also simply find whether the given relation is a function or not. That is, if the first element of any ordered pair is repeated, then the given relation is not a function. On seeing the first ordered pair, the first element is 2. That is, pre-image is 2. On seeing the second ordered pair 2, 4, the first element again is also 2. That is, the pre-image is also 2. That is, the pre-image is repeated again. So that on seeing the ordered pair also, we can confirm whether the given relation is a function or not. The imagination of children and fathers are taken only for the understanding purposes, not for the examination purposes. I appeal to the students that you need not write, you do not write in the test or examination the pre-images are considered as children and the images are considered as fathers. One question may arise to the students. Sir, you told that one child must have a father and one child must have only one father. In the case of the father, one father must have a child. No, a father may have a child or may not have a child. So in the case of the father, this condition is not applied. It is applied only in the case of the children. That is only in the case of the pre-images. Again, the father must have only one child. No, the father may have more than one child. That is, the father may have many children. That condition is also not applied to the fathers. That is, that condition is not applied to the images. So one image may have more than one pre-images. In this case, you can notice this fact. Father 4 is having the child 2, and the same father 4 is having the child 4. So in this case, the image 4 is having two pre-images. That is, one father 4 is having two children. This function is called as many to one function. That is, many children to one father. If there is only one child to each father, that function is called as one to one function. That is, one child to one father. That is, one pre-image to one image. We are going to see the one to one function and many to one function and one to one and onto function in the next sums. My dear students, if this educational video is really beneficial to you, you can share this video with your classmates and friends. You can also subscribe my channel.